Hey guys, my name is Daniel Delgado Villota. I'm talk about my paper that is the stabilization of sand particles by biocement based on CO2 capture and utilization, the process mechanical properties and microstructure. This paper was made by Kiwei Chang and Chung Xianqiang that they were students of the Sudest University in the Republic of China. And the highlights the biocement as a new ecological environmental material that was used to stabilize the sand particles. The average porosity of samples reduced from 18.3% one time to 30.3% and seven times, while section porosity character of samples increased gradually with the depth. The introduction based on economic development and improvement of living standards, the demand for infrastructure and at home and abroad is gradually increasing. The materials and methods. The biocement consists of two parts, the bacteria powder and calcium source. The bacteria powder is Pinebacillus, while the calcium source is calcium nitrate. In this graph, we can see the number of spraying versus the mass loss, the results and discussion. The microbial mineralization and deposition is a relatively complex physical and chemical process to make use of this natural phenomenon. The key is to improve the efficiency. We can see the process of the efficiency. The Pinebacillus capture carbon dioxide from the air and produce bicarbonate ions with the irritation of carbon dioxide under the action of the enzyme. We can see the capture with the sand and the calcium. The effect of the hardness and compressive strength of samples. The effect of number spraying and hardness and compressive strength are present. The experimental results indicated that the number of spraying significantly affect hardness and compressive strength of samples. We can see the number of spraying versus the hardness in this graph. In this one, we can see the number of spraying versus the calcium content, the wind erosion resistance of samples. Talk about the number of spraying that show in different wind speed. The mass loss in this case of non-spraying is about 2060 and 220 to and 60 1650. The porosity of samples, effect on number of spraying and porosity show in the last peak. Talk about the reduce from one time, three times, five times, and seven times. We can see the porosity with the red color. In addition, the section porosity character of samples at different depth were demonstrated. We can see the different cross sections according to the gray analysis results. We can see here the different depth versus the porosity in percent. And in conclusion, the CO2 was absorbed, transformed, and produced carbonate ions under the enzymatic action of Paenibacillus.